Today we're standing here on Stockholm Street where we have a project underway where we're installing a new duct bank and subsequent manholes to go with that duct bank. And really one thing that's notable about this project is it's the first project of this size where we're working directly with Baltimore City to partner with them based on the development that's going on around the casino, around the stadiums as we're building up this part of Baltimore City. We also have manholes where the existing manhole is in place. However, it's really degraded and it's no longer safe or getting to the point where it's no longer safe for crews to enter that manhole to do the work they need to do. If we have the space and it's really a new project, typically we're going to put in a precast manhole. And what that means is we have that manhole made by a contractor at a facility off-site who then will bring that into our job site on a flatbed truck. They'll use a crane to lower it into a pre-existing excavation that's been dug out by one of our conduit contractors. And really that means we save on time and money with how that's put into place, and we're able to have that manhole made to where it's going to be pretty much perfect. By improving these, installing new ones and or replacing existing manholes, we're now giving those crews a place where they can safely perform their job, and it helps our customers with the reliability.